gets underway, one NYSE-listed financial firm is making some news this morning. UBS, an enterprise AI platform provider, Domino Data Lab announced an extension of their strategic partnership in efforts to drive the next wave of enterprise AI innovation. Joining me now is Thomas Robinson. He's Domino Data Lab Chief Operating Officer. Thomas, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell me what your platform does and who your customers are?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're a tech startup, venture backed by the likes of Sequoia, Coatue, and NVIDIA. And we build an enterprise AI platform for companies that have models at the core of their business. That means they're impacting revenue, they're impacting their profitability, and sometimes even used for new product development.
Okay, so you're an enterprise platform, so you're going into organizations, large organizations, and rolling out this technology. Can you give me some use cases of what the AI that you are implementing is actually doing?
Absolutely. So we focus on a couple of key verticals where AI has the most impact. We work with about 10 of the top 20 global pharma companies. And there we help across the entire pipeline. So starting in research, we're helping build new products using computer vision to do tumor detection in images from cells. We work with surgical robotics companies to help them pinpoint a human anatomy as part of the surgery process. We also help plenty of companies build and develop new drugs, arthritis treatments, that sort of thing. We also help in the clinical trial stage, so critically important once you have a new product to bring it to market. We help accelerate that timeline by helping with the statistics and applying Gen AI to make it easier for companies like GSK to bring their drugs to market more quickly. In financial services, obviously we'll talk about UBS in a second, we also help a lot of insurance companies. One of my favorite examples is from claims resolution. So imagine you're waiting on an insurance claim and you want your money, right? That's the thing we all need. Organizations like BNP and Allstate, who are our customers, have made much quicker claims resolution processes through the use of our AI platform. And so that means you can get your money faster, and shareholders are happy because the company's spending less money on adjusters and complex business process. But where I'm really excited is we are working with the DoD, and over the past 4 or 5 years, I think you've seen AI has gone from wonkish enterprise topic to now something of global strategic importance. And that's projecting soft power through what we export from the United States in terms of AI, and also in defense. We're working with the Navy to help deploy models to unmanned underwater vehicles. I think the Ukraine conflict has showed us that drones and autonomy are critical. And so we help take their timeline from 6 months to 6 days to have rapid iteration of the models on those UUVs. That's a great capability for the Navy.
And you're also helping them detect underwater mines, is that correct?
Absolutely, underwater mines. You can imagine when a fleet moves in a theater, they need to have advanced awareness of where potential threats are in the water, underwater. And so many times these fleets are launching these unmanned vehicles to go and do the exploration so they can move the fleet appropriately.
Are you able to tell us more about your expanded partnership with UBS? It was just announced about a half an hour ago. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We have about a minute and a half. Can you just tell us more about that?
Absolutely. So I'll first say UBS is doing all the right stuff in terms of innovation with AI. They have a leadership down strategy for AI, and they are building risk into their AI deployment. So they want to go fast, but they want to be careful. They're a bank, right? And so what we're building upon is 5 years of partnership with UBS. We started with a small team, expanded to thousands of users across 7 lines of business, and now we're taking that to another level. UBS is going to deploy Domino across the entire enterprise to help deploy AI faster, help monitor it. And for us as a company, having a strategic partner like UBS, that is the lifeblood of building new product and getting feedback from the customer. We love being able to understand what a global bank needs from AI.
Thomas Robinson, COO of Domino Data Lab, thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you.
Thank you. Momentarily, we will head down